A little more than 2 months ago, Razer introduced the Leviathan V2 to the Philippine market. This is the company's newest soundbar for PCs that is said to be gaming grade. Priced at 15,799 pesos, eto na kaya yung PC soundbar na para sa'yo? This is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com. Watch this. Usually, pag sinabi mong soundbar, malaki talaga sila. But not for the Leviathan V2. For me, sakto lang yung laki niya even if it is loaded with a full range audio system. It is compact, minimalist, yet meron pa rin touch of a gamer-inspired look. Of course, it has the iconic Razer logo in the middle of the speaker grills. Easy to find din yung mga controls niya on top to turn the power on or off, connect via Bluetooth, change input device, and the volume up and down keys. It also has all the ports needed sa likod to connect the power cord, USB cable, and the subwoofer. We also like its finish and it seems durable enough. Meron din siyang removable and replaceable rubber feet. One of them is even angled so you can show off the RGB light below and point the sound to your face. Razer is very popular for incorporating the RGB color spectrum in lighting their products. The Leviathan V2 is no exception. Customizable pa yung lighting using the Synapse software on your PC. The brightness level can be adjusted from 0 to 100%. You can also choose quick effects and advanced effects using the Chroma Studio feature. Sabi ni Razer, meron siyang 18 lighting zones, countless patterns, and dynamic in-game lighting effects. Personally, okay na ako sa quick effects. Maganda enough na yung breathing effect niya. This is one of its main highlights compared to the original Leviathan. My only comment here is sana stronger yung light. Need mo to use it sa madilim na room talaga to appreciate it. So konya pare. Charot. The other major highlight of this Razer speaker is it has the THX spatial audio support if you own a Windows 10 64-bit PC or higher. Ang effect niya is it mimics a 7.1 surround sound even if it only has a front-firing soundbar and a down-firing subwoofer. We tried it for gaming and even if it is just a surround sound effect, it works. Dinig ko kung saan nanggagaling yung mga footsteps, background noise, and other sound effects of the game that we are playing. Ito yung mga maliliit na bagay that could help you be more aware and immerse sa game na nilalaro mo. Baka makatulong pa to for you to win. We also find this okay for watching movies. Respectable naman yung surround sound effect niya. It is far from perfect, but pwede na. 3D-like talaga siya. If you are the type of user na mahilig sa bass, there is a chance that you will like this speaker. Again, in front, it has two full-range drivers that covers most of the audio spectrum and meron din siyang down-firing subwoofer. So, malawak yung sub-bass niya, parang gumagapang. Medyo nabitin lang ako sa tightness and speed ng bass niya. Yung audio it can produce is enough to impress most casual listeners. However, if you are a picky listener like me, there is a chance that you might not like this product. Medyo too dark and warm siya for me and the bass is overpowering talaga. Vocals are kinda clear in acoustic tracks but nasasapawan siya at times and the instruments are not that hearable in bass-heavy tracks. It sounds a little hollow as well and there is distortion in around 60% volume and louder. Even the equalizer of Razer Synapse for PC or the Razer Audio app for phones can only do little about it. This is just my opinion though. For most nakakilala ko, noong narinig nila to, okay lang naman sa kanila. Upgrade pa din naman siya versus sa stock speaker setup ng laptop ko. But sana mas ginandahan pa ni Razer. It would have been better if it is at least high-res certified. Para sana mas all-rounder siya, hindi lang for gaming or watching movies. By the way, via Bluetooth 5.2, madali din siyang i-pair sa PC or phone mo and it has no noticeable delay. With this, you can easily switch from your PC to let's say your phone or tablet. Though better pa din talaga if you will connect it via USB cable. So ayun, we think that the Razer Leviathan V2 could be an option if you are looking for a gaming-focused soundbar. Even if it is only using virtual surround sound, it works as mentioned earlier and it would help you win some games. If all-rounder ang hanap mo, look elsewhere though. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDE.com. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always, and goodbye!